OnlineFenceStore.com. How to install an aluminum gate. Always call 811 before you dig. Be sure to follow the 5 steps for safe digging. Tools needed: tape measure, level, tamping/digging bar, post hole digger, marking paint. Start by marking the location of your gate and gate posts. Your gate posts should be set 1 to 1.5 inches wider than the actual gate width. For example, a 59-inch wide gate would require the posts to be set at 60 to 60.5 inches inside to inside. Note: your gate posts are twice as thick as the other posts. Dig the holes for both of the gate posts. We recommend a minimum of a 6-inch diameter hole. Make sure that your holes are deep enough to extend below the frost line for your area. Space your posts for your gate width. As mentioned before, set your posts 1 to 1.5 inches wider than the actual gate width to accommodate for hardware. Once you have the posts plumb and set to the correct width, add concrete. Each hole will require 40 to 60 pounds of concrete. You can pre-mix or dry pack. You can read more on our website about mixing or dry packing concrete. Plumb the post in both directions. Continue to check for plumb while tamping. Once your gate posts are set, attach the hinges to the post. Move the gate into position between the posts. Before attaching the hinges to the gate, line up the rails with any adjacent fence panel rails. Screw the hinges to the gate. You may have to raise or lower the gate posts to get correct alignment with the adjacent fence panels. Install the gate latch on the opposite gate post. With the gate latch installed, close the gate and align the gate strike. Center the strike in the gate latch and install. We offer several other gate latch options on our website. Each latch will come with their own installation instructions. You can also download those instructions from our website. If you have any questions during installation of our products, we are here to help. For contact information, visit OnlineFenceStore.com. Be sure to visit our blog for additional resources and installation advice. Thanks for watching.